factors of the number 18. Begin with 1. Okay, 1 into 18 is 18. So next is 2. Yes, 2 into 9 is 18. 3 into 6 is 18. Next is 4. Is 18 divisible by 4? It is not. 5? No. 6? Yes. 6 3s are 18. But what do we have here? We already have that pair. So we need not even think further. Stop here. These are your factors of the number 18. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm going to show you a very easy way of finding the factors of 12 and 18. The first method is going to be common factor method. What am I going to do here is I'm going to place these two numbers here, okay, 12 and 18. So first is number 12. Always begin with the number 1. 1 into which number gives you 12? 1 into 12 is 12. This is 1. Next number 2. Is 12 divisible by 2? First be sure of that. Okay, yes. 2 into 6 is 12. 3. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 into 4 is 12. Next number 4. Yes, 4 3s are 12. Now mind you, 3 into 4 and 4 into 3 is the same thing. So this is it. We stop here. These can only be the factors of 12 and there will be no other number. Okay, so you don't have to go beyond, because even if you go to 6, like okay, 6 2 is 12, that is already here, and the next number will straight away be 12. So the minute this pair repeats, you have to stop, and these are all your factors. So what are the factors? These are known as the factors, and when you multiply them, these are known as the multiples. Multiples we will come to later. So I'm going to list down all the factors of 12 and okay, first of 12. So you have to remember one thing, you have to write it in the U form. What is U form? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are your factors so that you don't miss out anything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which are the 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Quickly now I'm going to list those of the number 18. Begin with 1. Okay, 1 into 18 is 18. So next is 2. Yes, 2 into 9 is 18. 3 into 6 is 18. You need not write 18 everywhere, okay? This is just to show you. Next is 4. Is 18 divisible by 4? It is not. 5? No. 6? Yes. 6 3s are 18. But what do we have here? We already have that pair. So we need not even think further. Stop here. These are your... So how will you begin? You have to write it in the U formation. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go like this. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the factors of 18. Now which are common in these? 1 is common, 2 is common. Common means it has to be in both. 3, yes, 4 is not there, and then there is 6. So our common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now out of these 4, which is the highest number? Highest number is 6. Therefore, the highest common factor or the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. 15 and 25. So first of 15, let us first find out all the factors of 15 beginning from the number 1. 1 into 15 is compulsory. Every time you have to write 1 because 1 is a factor of each and every number. Think of 2. 15 is not divisible by 2. 3, yes. 3 into 5 is 15. 4, no. 5, yes. But what is the trick here? 5 into 3, 3 into 5 is the same thing. We stop here. These are the only 4 factors of 15. I'm quickly going to write that down. 1, 3, 5, 15. Which is the next number? 25. 1 into 25. 2, it doesn't go by 2, 3, 4. Straight away 5 into 5. This has already repeated itself. We stop here. The factors of 15 in the U formation are 1, 5, 25. Which are the common ones over here? 1 is common and 5 is common. Only 2. So the common factors are 1 and 5. What is highest out of 1 and 5? HCF is 5. I'm going to show you this last sum, after which you have to try 2 on your own, okay? Quickly. 16. 1 into 16 is 16. 2 into 8 is 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. 4, yes. 4 fours are 16. And then the number is already repeated, so we need not move further. Stop here in the U formation. Our factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Do not repeat the number factor again. This is there twice. You have to just write it once, okay? 24. Quickly. 24 is a big number. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 8s is 24. Your tables have to be really very good. After 3, 4, yes, 4 into 6. 5, no, 24 is not divisible by 5. 6, yes, but what is the trick here? 4 into 6 or 16 to 4 is the same thing. Stop here. These are all the factors of 24. So how will we write it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Always write it in the ascending order, guys, so that you don't miss out anything. 6, 8, 12 and 24. Which are the common ones here? 2 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Oh, so many are there. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Is that all? Yes, that's all. So what is the highest common factor of 16 and 24? Highest out of all the common factors is 8. So the HCF of 16 and 24 is 8. Is it clear, guys? I am going to bring up 2 sums. Here, this is it. Pause the video. Okay. First I'm going to show you of 20 and 30. Now, what are common multiples and the least common multiple? Multiples are very easy. It's just that you need to know your tables very well, okay? So what we are going to do is, for multiples, there is no need to make any U formation. If you know your tables of 4, the multiples of 4, 4 ones is 4, 4 twos are is, okay, so first the multiples of 4 we'll write. First is 4, 4 twos are 8, 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, and so on. So let us we have to come to a number which is there in both the numbers, like 6 and 4, because we need the least number over here. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Here we already have 12 now. See, it's there in both. So we can either stop here or maybe you can just write 2 more. Which are the common multiples here? The common multiples are 12 as of now. Do you want to write one more? Okay, we can write one more. See here, 24. 12. The common multiples are 12, 24, and mind you, this goes on, okay, forever. It can just keep going on, but we need the least common multiple, and therefore we don't need to write too many. The least common multiple out of this, the least number is 12. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. The next one, common multiples of least common multiple of 5 and 10 we want to find out. So first of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And of 10, 10, 20, 30. Okay, so we have enough here. Common is 10 is common. What else is common? 20 is common. 30 is common. Which is the least common? 10, 20, 30. The least is 10. So the LCM, the least common multiple of 5 and 10 is 10. Easy, guys. One more sum I will do. 3 and 8. 3 ones is 3. Okay, you can stop here because we already have the common multiples. Can we have one more? We'll have to keep writing too many. So we have the common multiples are it'll keep going on and on, guys. So let us just write the LCM in this case. It is 24. The least common multiple is 24. Okay, I want you to try these on your own and I will quickly put up the answers. Pause the video, try, find out the LCM for me. Okay. That is it, guys. This is how you find the least common multiple and the highest common factor by common factor method. I'm going to show you more methods in the videos that I will put on. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.